Hi, I'm Doug. I work with 20 great guys in St. Louis at Doug Jenkins Custom Hot Rods, and we're going to do some work for you today on ExpertVillage. Alex turns over this junk panel. We saved it when we were cutting the trunk apart so we could get this spare tire mount bracket out of the old trunk floor. They don't sell them new. They don't sell it with this trunk floor that we bought. So he's got the spot weld drilling tool, and he's cleaned out really carefully where the spot welds are. And he's drilling out the spot welds to get this bracket removed. If you go ahead and try to cut the thing into a million pieces to get the bracket out, you'll make a mess of it and take a long time. So the spot weld drilling tool is really the best way to go about it. So he's got the spare tire retaining bracket there out of the old trunk floor, and he's grinding what's left of the spot welds out of it. He drilled the most of it out there in order to get it out of the trunk, and now he's grinding the last little nubs off of it so he has a good flat surface to do his weld on.